So what does active voice mean? Active voice is when the subject is the doer of the action in sentences with an action verb. Look at this example of a sentence in active voice. Sarah mailed the letter. Sarah is the doer of the action. What did she do? Mail the letter. The letter is the recipient of Sarah's action. Let's look at another sentence. The anatomy instructor explains the human skeletal system. Instructor is the subject of the sentence and the doer of the action. What does the instructor do? Explains the human skeletal system. Let's take a closer look at how active voice actually works. Because the subject does or acts upon the verb in these two sentences above, the sentences are said to be in active voice. Sarah mailed the letter. The anatomy instructor explains the human skeletal system. What does passive voice mean? In passive voice, the receiver of the action gets placed into the subject position of the sentence. Here's an example of a sentence using passive voice. It was demonstrated that heart attacks can be caused by high stress. Look at the construction of the sentence written in passive voice. The receiver of the action, heart attacks, plus a to-be verb, plus the past participle verb, plus the preposition by, plus doer of the action, high stress. Here's another example of a sentence written in passive voice. The man was devastated by his laboratory diagnosis. Let's see how passive voice works in a sentence. Remember, in passive voice, the receiver of the action gets moved to the subject position, and the sentence will often have the by phrase in it. So remember these two rules when it comes to using active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject is doing the verb's action. In passive voice, the receiver gets promoted to the subject position. Thanks for watching. Have fun writing.